Golden Sunrise friends, this is Rakhi from Team VK, and in this video we will see how you can heal or revive any organ or any body part by using VK in a simple way. Now, what is VK? This is VK. It is a steel bangle which is attuned with cosmic energies by Sharad sir. Now you will see in this video how I am using VK. Now suppose you have pain here on the wrist. What you do? Just simply hold VK and slowly rotate VK over it. Okay. Now if you are working on computer, so you generally get pain here because of holding the mouse and clicking it. So here, even in your workplace, you can simply place your hand on the table and rotate VK slowly till you get some relief or till you feel that you should do it to get relief. Okay. Now suppose you get pain, frozen shoulder. Just rotate VK over the shoulder slowly. Okay. Now suppose there is a toothache. You can just simply place VK over the affected area or rotate VK slowly. Now suppose there is a ear block. You get pain in the ear. You can just rotate VK here. Your ear is this part. This is just an exterior. So you can rotate VK slowly. Suppose you have sinus or migraine. You can just rotate VK over this pain part, wherever is the pain. Just rotate. If you have pain over the eyebrows, you can just rotate VK over your eyebrows. Okay. Now because you work on the computer or you are on the tablet or on the cell phone for a longer time, your eyes may get stressed. So you can just de-stress your eyes simply rotating VK over your right eye for few minutes and left eye for few minutes. Okay. Even you can do it just before sleeping to de-stress your eyes, to improve your vision. Okay. Now simply wherever is a pain part, like suppose you have pain here, tennis elbow, you can just rotate VK like this. If you have pain in the knees, you can rotate over the knees. If you have pain in your stomach, you can even rotate on stomach. So any body part, any organ, you can just revive or heal with just simple rotations. Now when you take any medicine, what do you think? You just think that you should get free of this pain or you should get free of this illness. Okay. Same way, VK is also an intentional tool. So when you are in a pain or you are healing any illness or you are reviving any organ, just think that it should heal you completely now forever. Now to speed up, and forever means you just don't want it to come back. So just think now forever. Okay, you don't have to remember any energy names. Allow VK to use its wisdom. If you feel like chanting any energy name like any cosmic serum by Sir or golden sunrise, you can do that, or any mantra, but simply allow VK to use its wisdom when you are in more pain. Okay, so in this simple way you can use VK to heal any organ, just with the thought that you want to get it healed completely. Now friends, I will show you one more way to use VK easily for any organ revival or to remove any pain or to heal it. Instead of rotating over the organ on in air, you can just simply place VK over that organ and rub gently in circular motion or like this, anyway. Like for eyes, just rub VK gently over the eyes. Okay. For headache, you can just rub VK gently anywhere, wherever you feel illness or pain, like this. For your toothache, for your ears, like this. Okay, any part, even on your knees. If you have joint pain, you can just place VK on that part and rub gently. Now what happens when you rotate VK over that organ or you rub gently over that organ? Every cell of that organ gets revived, it gets healed, it gets repaired. You know, VK uses its own wisdom. It will remove your mental negative patterns, it will remove the illness, it will remove the cause of that illness. In short, it will revive that organ and it will repair that organ to normal. Just keep the intention that it should heal now forever. Okay, another thing is like how much time. Time depends upon the need of the energy, so don't count upon time. Heal daily your organs and do de-stress your eyes every day with this method. Just before sleeping today, try this method. Also share your experiences on Lightarian forum, even send us your creative ideas. Okay, so gratitude to sir for giving us VK and simple ways of using VK to heal any illness. Thank you. Golden sunrise to all of you.